Replacing your home's windows is one of the most effective ways to improve energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, and create a more comfortable living space. For homeowners in Lafayette, where hot summers, humidity, and busy neighborhoods present unique challenges, professional window replacement is an investment that pays off in both performance and peace of mind. But if you've never gone through the process before, you may be wondering, what exactly happens during a window replacement project? Here's a step-by-step guide on what to expect when working with Lafayette window professionals. Initial consultation and assessment. Every project begins with a professional consultation. During this stage, an installer or consultant will inspect your current windows, checking for drafts, damage, or inefficiency. Discuss your goals, whether you're focused on energy savings, noise reduction, or updated style. Review window options, materials, vinyl, fiberglass, wood, glass choices, double pane, low-E coatings, and design styles. Provide an estimate. You'll receive a clear outline of costs, including installation, materials, and warranties. This personalized approach ensures your new windows are tailored to your home's needs and Lafayette's climate. Scheduling and preparation. Once you've approved the plan, your project will be scheduled. Before installation day, you'll be asked to clear the work area, move furniture, curtains, or blinds near windows. Provide access. Ensure installers can reach both the inside and outside of each window. Plan for noise. Replacement involves some construction activity, so prepare for minor disruption. Professional installers in Lafayette typically work efficiently, minimizing inconvenience to your daily routine. Removing old windows on installation day. The first step is carefully removing the old windows. This involves protecting your home. Drop cloths or coverings are used to shield floors and furniture from dust. Removing trim and frames. Old materials are taken out with precision to avoid damage to walls. Safe disposal. Professionals haul away old windows for recycling or proper disposal. By handling removal correctly, installers ensure a smooth transition to the new windows. Installing new windows. This is the most important phase, where skill and experience make the difference. Professional installers will insert the new window, ensuring a snug, level fit for maximum efficiency. Seal and insulate. Weather stripping, caulking, and foam insulation prevent air and moisture leaks. Secure the frame. Anchors and fasteners keep the window stable and long-lasting. Reapply trim and finishing touches, restoring your home's polished look inside and out. This careful process ensures your windows not only look beautiful but also perform well against Lafayette's weather conditions. Quality checks and cleanup. Once installation is complete, the team will conduct a thorough inspection, operational check, making sure windows open, close, and lock smoothly. Seal test. Confirming there are no drafts or gaps. Visual inspection. Ensuring the window aligns perfectly with your home's design. Cleanup. Removing dust, debris, and leftover materials so your home is as tidy as before. You'll also receive instructions on basic care and maintenance to keep your windows performing their best. Enjoying the benefits immediately after installation. You'll notice immediate improvements: energy efficiency, lower utility bills thanks to better insulation. Noise reduction. A quieter home, perfect for Lafayette's busier neighborhoods. Comfort. No more drafts, hot spots, or cold areas near windows. Curb appeal. Modern designs enhance your home's exterior and interior look. Many homeowners also enjoy increased property value and peace of mind knowing their investment is backed by warranties. Final thoughts. For Lafayette homeowners, a professional window replacement project is a straightforward process designed to maximize results with minimal stress. From the initial consultation to final inspection, experienced installers ensure every step is handled with care. By knowing what to expect, you can feel confident about your decision to upgrade. With the right windows and professional installation, your Lafayette home will be more comfortable, efficient, and stylish for years to come.